Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Cognizant on campus drive. As all of you got information that Cognizant has started on campus hiring for 2026 batch, and they have started for few campus now, but they are going to hire for the various campuses within very few days. So, if you are preparing for Cognizant, then this video is for you because here we are discussing packages, eligibility criteria, resources, syllabus, patterns, and hiring process, everything one by one. So just watch till the end and be with us. Subscribe this channel so that you can get everything up to date every day. Okay, so I hope we will do. Okay, so let me just start with the first things, that is packages and designations. So in Cognizant, you will have total three roles as of now, that is Gen C, Gen C Pro, and Gen C Next. I hope this is visible to you. Okay. Gen C, Gen C Next, and Gen C Pro. So for Gen C, you will have 4 LPA, and Gen C Pro, you will have 5.4 LPA, and Gen C Next 6.75 LPA. And all the roles, like as you can see, designations for Gen C Pro and Gen Z Next is PA, Programmer Analyst, and Gen C is for PAT. That means Programmer Analyst Training. As Cognizant was my first company, so I know everything. So just watch till the end so that I make sure that you will get a job at Cognizant. Okay. So if you are selected for Gen Z role only, and if you are selected for PAT, then you have to wait 1 year to get a role of PA. So if you are selected for Gen Z Pro, Gen Z Next, then already you are skipping 1 year, and you are ahead of 1 year of your friends who are selected in PAT role. Okay, so please try to get a job at Gen Z Next and Gen Z Pro role. Okay, so let me just go to the next topic, that is regarding eligibility criteria. So applicable to 2026 batch, actually BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Okay, so these are all eligible batches. Also MCA, BCAs are also eligible. Minimum criteria was 60% in the earlier year in 2025, but for 2026, as I have got information that 70% is the minimum criteria they are setting this year. Okay, so if you have less than 70%, then I will recommend you to please go through the hiring process, and let's hope, but still fill the form, give the exam, sit for interview, and get selected, and then let's see what they do. Okay, and I hope you will get selected if still you have less than 70% marks. Okay, as I have that experience. Okay, so now let me just discuss the next thing, that is must be flexible with shift, technology, and location, obviously, and obviously Indian nationals. Okay, so now let me discuss the hiring process of Cognizant. So at first you have to sit for the online assessment, that is communication assessment. If you are passed, that means it is an elimination round. So if you are passed, then you will be moved to aptitude and technical round. So this aptitude and technical round is also an elimination round. So if you pass this round, then also you will get a mail for technical interview rounds. Okay, and this will be in person, that means physical interview process. So you have to just remember that. Okay, so let me discuss the next thing, that is what is the syllabus for aptitude and game based aptitude. Okay, so at first for the section 1, fundamental math, that is fractions, percentage, ratios, algebras, and then profit and loss, time work, mensurations, P and C, I mean okay, logs, trigonometry, then blood relations, puzzles, syllogism, coding, decoding, rankings, input, output. As you can see, these are the syllabus for your aptitude round of Cognizant. Then the game based aptitude will be there, like inductive reasonings, then puzzle based questions, then uh, Sudoku based problems. So these will be the sections in game based aptitude. So be prepared for that. And I'm going to just tell you from where you can prepare. So just wait, watch and wait till the end. So the next thing is the syllabus, I mean technical things you have to know. The aptitude round, if you passed, then only you will be moved to technical round, right? So for technical, what you have to prepare, let's say if you are selected for cluster 1, if you are selected for cluster 2, if you are selected for cluster 3, so these will be the corresponding syllabuses. For cluster 1, Java will be there, 2 Java coding questions will be asked, and for ANSI SQL, 4 queries you have to write. For HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you have to write 2 coding questions. Sorry, one coding questions you have to write. Okay, and then cluster 2, Python, 2 coding questions, and SQL 4, and cloud computing MCQ questions 10. Okay, then for C Sharp cluster 3, you have to write 2 coding questions, ANSI SQL 4, and HTML CSS JavaScript. You have to write 1 coding questions. Okay, so accordingly please prepare so that you can get a job at. Now let me discuss how to prepare and where to prepare. Very honestly guys, if you see the previous year questions and if you see the recent questions, you will be astonished because previous year questions are pi to pi same as the previous year questions and recent questions. Okay, so this is what you have to know. If you are preparing the previous year questions, if you are giving the mock test, so previous year questions you solved the mock test. Okay, you solve the previous year interview questions, aptitude questions, and the same questions will be asked to you in this year as well. If Marshall Metal is conducting, if Marshall Metal conducts the exam of Cognizant, then very honestly, if you are solving previous year questions, then you will get the questions common. Okay, so please prepare through the previous year questions anyhow, but I'll recommend you to have the prime materials of Cognizant from topmate.io/techno_uf. This link will be given in the description box. Please go through that and get a job at Cognizant, because there we have included all the recent questions with answers, aptitude, .NET, Java, Python coding questions, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript questions, communication assessment, full questions. As I have seen, 30% of students got rejected in this round only. We have included live videos of communication assessment, live videos, and also we have included the questions which will be asked in this round, and mock test, free mock tests are available. Interview experiences also available for Cognizant. Okay, so you can see the feedbacks of students, like as you can see, she got many common questions, and this is very honest review. And as you can see guys, we have been recognized as top 0.1% performer in TopMate, and people are loving our content. As you can see, these are the feedbacks of students, like they're giving 5 stars to us, and you can see people are loving so much that they are giving 5 stars to our materials. So please go through that. We have 25 top MNCs questions, so if you want any, then please go through the link given in the description box. So this much of discussion I had to do today. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe and watch the playlist of Cognizant.